how to change the tone, color, and the palette on the iPhone 16 cameras before taking the picture. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, launch the camera app. At the bottom here, you can go to photo or portrait mode. And to change the tone and color of the camera, you can tap on this small button, the square button at the corner. So tap on that button will allow you to change the color style. And here you can change the color style. So here I will select dramatic. And in this square box right here, you can drag on the white dot to the top corner or the bottom. So you can move them around the square to readjust the color and the tone. To change the palette, you can drag on the slider bar to decrease or increase the palette. And that's it. So that is how you can change the tone, color, and palette on the iPhone camera. And you do this before taking the picture. And if I go back in here, I can tap on the picture preview, and you can see this is a picture with my custom color settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.